All right, let's start off with number 5. So number 5 says fish swimming left and fish swimming right. So fish swimming to the left, and we're only looking at the fish, not all of the animals, would be these 3 fish here. They are all swimming to the left. So 3, and then a colon, and fish swimming right, that would be these 6 here. But you're not going to get a star because you need to simplify. That means we need to divide them both by the same number. We could divide them both by 1, but that won't really help because anything divided by 1 is itself. We can't divide by 2 because 3 is odd, but we could divide them both by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that one would be 1 to 2. And what that also means is for every 1 fish swimming to the left, there are 2 swimming to the right. 1 to the left, 2 to the right, 1 to the left, 2 to the right. All right, let's take a peek at number 6, turtles to all animals. So for the turtles, there are 2 turtles. And then if we count up, whoa, I don't know why it does that. Let's try to zoom back out. So 2 turtles, and then all animals, if we count them all up, there are 22. So just make sure you don't forget about those crabs down there. Sometimes they don't show up on your screen. But again, we need to simplify. Those are both even numbers, so let's divide them both by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 22 divided by 2 is 11. And I have no idea why it keeps zooming in like this. So it would be 1 to 11, and that would be this answer right here. All right, number 9, animals with some yellow to animals with some pink. There's a little hint over here because your colors are going to show up a little bit differently than mine. So the ones with some yellow would be the seahorses, the striped fish, and the dotted fish. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then for pink, undo that. So we have 12 there. So for pink, it's the seahorses because of that little fin, the dotted fish, and the turtle shells. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, you will need to go ahead though and simplify this ratio. All right, lastly, number 10 I want to talk about. So crabs or turtles to seahorses. All right, so where that word to is, that is where we are going to have our colon. Seahorses, there's 3. We need a single number here that tells us how many crabs or turtles there are. Well, all of these animals right here are a crab or a turtle. So that would be 6. And we need to simplify this. A common question is, why are we using the word or if we're adding them all up? Shouldn't it be the word and? Well, here's a different example. So I'm going to do a star in a circle, and I'm going to swap colors, and a star in a circle in blue. All right, so if I said I'm looking for something that is a star and blue, it has to fit both criteria, which would just be this one. So using the word and is making something more precise. But if I say this or that, I can include all of the stuff. So or means you're going to add all of the options together, and means it has to fit both pieces of criteria. All right, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any more questions.